Hello, today I'm in Ford F150. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage cruise control. In the beginning, let's accelerate to desired speed and then press the on button located on the steering wheel. You can see that cruise control is enabled by the icon right here. Now, if you want to increase the speed, press the set plus button. If you want to decrease it, press the set minus button. If you want to pause the cruise control, press the cancel button. If you want to reset it to previous speed, press reset button. If you want to unpause the cruise control, press the set plus button again. And if you want to disable cruise control, press the off button, and now the icon is gone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.